Hey everyone, you are watching JavaScript for Beginners lesson 13. The first method which we are going to see is length. As the name suggests, we can simply get the length out of a string. Let me just show you a quick example. First name dot length. This will simply gives us the length of the variable first name. So we just got the output 5. Let me just remove the white space and let's check this again. So we just got the length of 4. Now let's try this with the last name. So we just got the output 6, which is the length of the last name. The next one is replace. As the name suggests, we can simply replace a substring with another string. Let me just show you a quick example. First name dot replace. Let's change the John to Mike. So we just got the output Mike, which we have replaced with John. So this is how replace works. Now let's next move on to the uppercase and lowercase. As you can see here, the name clearly says that we can simply turn a string into an uppercase or a lowercase. Now let's turn the first name to uppercase. So we just got the output uppercase where we have converted the first name to the uppercase. Now let's try this with a lowercase. So we have completely changed the first name to a lowercase. So this is how uppercase and lowercase method works with string. Now let's simply move on to the next one. Includes. We have to make sure one thing when we use the includes. As the name suggests, it will simply check whether a particular substring is included in a string or not, but it will simply gives us the output true or false. Let's try this out as well. First name dot includes. Let's check whether it includes the word John. So we just got the output true. Now let's simply copy this and give some other string stars. So we just got the output false, which means that this particular word is not in the first name variable. So we just got the output false. The next one is split. As the name suggests, we can simply split the element and turn them into an array. So this will convert strings into an array. Now let me just give you a quick example. Let's convert the text to an array. So we simply got the output where we have converted the text variable into an array. Even the white space count as an individual element when it comes to using the split method. So we just got two white spaces followed by the each letter and the white spaces within the string. So this is how split method works. The next one is index of. We can simply get an index for a particular string. Now let me just show you a quick example. First name dot index of. Let's get the index of wo. So we just got the output 1, which means that the index of wo is 1. So basically the index starts from 0. So j is 0 followed by wo, which is 1. The last one is trim. As the name suggests, we can simply remove the white spaces in a particular string. Let me just show you a quick example. Let's use the variable text and let's trim the white spaces which we have given over here. As you can see here, we just got the output is a good boy, where we have simply ignored the white space which we have added over here. So this will basically removes the white space in a string. Now let's simply do a quick recap. As length will simply gives us the length of a particular string. Replace, we can replace a particular substring with another string. To uppercase and to lowercase. As the name suggests, this will simply turn a particular string into an uppercase or to a lowercase. Includes will check whether a particular substring is included in a string or not. and it will simply gives us the output true or false. Split will simply convert a particular string into an array, and this will be very useful when you build a very big projects. The next one is index of. We can simply use this method in order to get a particular index of a string. Last but not the least, trim. It will simply remove the white space in a string. So these are the few methods which you need to remember before diving deep into JavaScript. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.